Hello everyone guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to turn toggle key on or off in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn toggle key on or off in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on start. Now click on settings. After click on ease of access. Now left panel, scroll down, click on keyboard, and here option use toggle keys. So guys, if you want to enable or on, so select to on position, that is, and if you want to off or disable, so select to off position, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable or disable toggle key on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.